making pasta in my life.
I'm a poor your key. She bought a little to us a professional pasta to the pastry. Anyway, me more back so and tell what you continue.
So excited.
Either way, we cannot contain ourselves.
I'm watching the recipe online and they say first thing we draw the flour.
Hey! Voila, wow.
I don't want it to be too much though. Everybody said one cup. I'm convinced. This or this.
Audible, you're watching something online and your answer is this or this. Oh, yeah, but if it's the ajonu that is roaming about it, although that is using it because it's stopping.
But I don't. There are different types of cups.
What if my roommate no, you are not tell God that although I Ekiti split because I cannot claim it.
So the next thing, I'm going to break this egg into it.
We have to thank God for the shikis although so that is constantly going into labor for you guys in that place.
Wow.
You know where learn about where.
Add a little olive oil.
Are you anointing the pasta? Sorry, pastry?
Add salt. A little. Now,
What are we doing now? Oh, tell me.
mix.
I just want to thank all the people that decide that Ekiti State is there to take a break from Odo people because boy, oh boy, you people are trying.
It's for your
Honeymoon. To bá jẹ́ pé ibi tó fẹ́ gbé lọ. If it's the place that you think you want to take it, that you want to take it, I am warning you right now. Stop it.
benefit if you obey God. If you trust God through Jesus Christ and obey Him with your faith, you are going to be happy.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
You will not be looking at these worldly things that you don't even know where they are getting the money. Honestly.
Una never tell us, say una be HR, even HR, human resources.
Most of them, they kill, they do money laundering, they do gay.
Your brother, sister, pick up the LBQ, your sister, say LBQ, I be LB, LGBTQ, I be
Everything that is against God, they commit it just to see money. For
this version of the Bible people are reading though, but the word that I read said, if you do not commit any sin, be the first person to throw stone. Yes.
education.
Mommy, you know, bunk pay.
Having intercourse before marriage is a sin. Lying is a sin.
I don't think we should be calling names, but I'll see.
Come back to Christ and you will be happy and satisfied.
Father Lord, I want to be you. I want to be satisfied with the things of heaven. Thank you.
We are telling you now, please remain virgin.
You know the good thing is that my name is Mary. I am Virgin Mary. Yes.
And obey all the rest of the commandments. Okay, just remain virgin.
I don't understand now why you and my mother were wise because now virgin that be your mom is a virgin and she's a virgin. Take you.
Obey the rest of the commandment. Not to be virgin alone and still be abusing elders.
You know what it says? Do not grieve the Holy Spirit. Right now you are grieving the Holy Spirit. You are grieving all of us on this eternity. Take you.
Because that is the first place that Satan used to catch people.
Enlighten us, Seke Jesus.
Intercourse.
About someone can break my mother. See me on either. Close, open that close, open that close, close it.
Immediately you become 15 years, oh yeah, 12 years, oh yeah, avoid it.
Honeymoon. Honeymoon. Honeymoon.
I beg you.
Your boyfriend is meeting you. You say no more, no more. How?
So all those things you don't talk this morning, you don't experience that because the way you say they give analogy,
How old are you? Were you married?
Are you not ashamed? Accept Jesus.
Yeah, I know, Leno. It surprises us as well. They are not ashamed.
I don't want to be ashamed.
We're going to talk to the recipe what they made because I'm not tired. If the cocoa melon is happening now. Anyway, you cover it to rise. You put acidity with error or the fire. Cut the pastry, I mean a pasta, whatever it is, you cut it into strips. You start cooking the pot. The next time you try those nonsense, are you at home? Yes.